What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Nick, owner of Genesis Detailing, and today we are with the team detailing a bunch of supercars. So Johnny and Andrew have already washed these 5 cars, and once they're all finished up doing the interiors, I'm gonna jump in on them, do the glass, and we'll start washing the other 4 cars and show you how we maintain cars of this caliber. You have to be extra careful. All of these cars do have PPF and ceramic coating, which will make our lives easier when it comes to cleaning them, but you don't want to ruin all that money that you spent. So we'll show you the products that we use, how we do it in step-by-step process. And it is pollinating season, so the bee poop is all over these cars even after wiping them. If you see these little yellow dots on your car, they will stain it, and that's why doing a ceramic coating is very important, because your car will be protected from these little acidic bee poop. As you can see, they're just popping in all over these cars, even though we're wiping them. Yeah, dude, literally everything in this car is leather wrapped. Look at this. Look at the stitching on that. Got an Alcantara dash. It's kind of weird how it's like this little section of it. Looks cool though.
That's contrast.
Yeah. Go feel the leather again. Sean, look at the touch. Look at the touch. Johnny's obsessed.
That is like supple.
Look at the touch. What do you think, Andrew? Is it supple?
I don't know about that word. It was pretty close.
This is what we need for the shop. This is the shop car right here. Yeah, if I were to get a shop car, I think it would have to be a GT3 RS. If it's not an RS, it's got to be at least a GT3. Maybe I'll just make this customer an offer they can't refuse. Are these 3 cars done? Door jams inside. This car needs to come to the shop. Get all the staining off the compound, on the compound off the black trim. It's kind of funny, is like these guys were cranking until I got here, and then I started recording a video, and now everyone's just slowing down. I'm throwing everyone off asking all these questions. So I'll just let the guys get to work while I kind of record it. Yeah, we're trying to be, we just can't. A lot of cars, too many people, ends up being like someone forgets something, you know?
Yeah.
Yelling out checklists, inside glass, door jams, paint, interiors vacuum and wipe down. I mean, these cars, like I said, we're here every Tuesday, so these things stay very clean. The exteriors are what need the most love, being that they sit outside for most of the day, and then they get all that little yellow bee poop on it and light dust. So just doing the maintenance washes on the paint keeps the PPF fresh, keeps the coating fresh, and prevents it from getting oxidized.
She'll give that to you, dude. She'll give this car to you.
You think so?
Yeah.
As like a donation for our hard work? Donation to Genesis Detailing and the GT3 RS? I do prefer buckets, but... Wow. All right, the boys are done with the GT3 RS. I'll happily move this one. I will say these seats are very comfy. And I've also heard that the carbon buckets aren't adjustable at all. Like it's fixed positioned. Those little yellow dots, man, they're just popping out of nowhere. Got the tunes running. So as I mentioned, this customer has a lot of cars for us to detail. As you can see behind us, there's about 10 cars in here. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cars exactly in here that they cycle through for us to detail, because they do drive these cars. Every car has miles on them. They enjoy them. It's not just these collector cars that sit here and look pretty. They swap them out all the time. And then I'll show you some more cars on the other side, but kind of give you a little walkthrough of this garage. We have a Huracan Serato, a Huracan STO, Bentley Continental GT Coupe, a Aston Martin Volante, or what is that? A DB11 Volante? Something like that, like 770 Volante. We have a McLaren 765 LT, a Ferrari Roma, another McLaren 765 LT, a Huracan Evo, an SF90, and then last but not least, we have a Ferrari 812 GTS. Whatever car you guys comment the most about, I'll make a video on that car specifically. I'll make time to come out here, record an in-depth video of that car, show you guys the nooks and crannies, pop the hood. We had a rear engine V10. I don't even know, you gotta pop these clips off to get down there, but this thing is unbelievable. Outside of that big garage over there, we have the 4-car garage where they normally keep the higher value cars that are over $1 million. But right now we are missing a few. They might be in service, but we do have a Porsche GT4 RS. We just had that one at the shop. We did a full paint correction on it before doing the PPF. We have a Rolls-Royce Phantom. I know you guys want to see what's back there. But we have a Ferrari SF90. And then here we go. This is one of the cars I was talking about. There used to be a Bugatti Chiron in that corner where the GT4 RS is, but like I said, it might be in service. But this is a Ferrari Daytona SP3. This car is an absolute beauty. The paint on it is unreal. I mean, it's got like a pearlescent flake to it, color shifts. When the sun hits it, it is unreal. This, obviously, I know you guys are gonna say this is your favorite car of the video, but I could show you guys more next time around. Car's locked. I don't want to start opening and messing with this car. This is a little bit too high a value for us. I like the customer to pull this car out for me. It makes it a lot easier. I feel safer. This is not something that I want to make a oopsie on, you know? This is what the interior looks like. Pretty simple, honestly. Looks like the SF90, just obviously fitted for this car. Doors do go up, which is cool. You want me to pull that van? I guess we can't.
I mean, the inside has been inside, so it went only to the outside, but yeah, she's gonna want them locked.
Okay. You know they have 2 Storados?
Yeah.
They have another Storado in the garage.
That one has a tire.
Want to get these cars mated down, get all the dirt and debris off of them so Andrew can follow up behind us with a final rinse, and then we'll get these cars knocked out. And he's also going to go and switch over to the other van, being that that one is running low on water, so perfect timing to do the final rinse on these. This company is actually one of my clients' company. He just came out with this drink. Really good, low calories, only 6 grams of sugar, and all natural ingredients. So I like it. I'm gonna order a couple cases for the guys and keep these stocked up in our shop. While Andrew final rinses all the cars, I can't run the blower and the pressure washer at the same time. We'll pop the circuit. So I'm just gonna use a couple drying towels and start mopping up all the water, and then go back over it with the air dryer once he's done, to get all the water from the cracks and crevices. Grab our detail spray. I'm gonna soak the entire car with it, including the glass. It'll give it a nice slick finish. Lubricate the paint while we're wiping it. So the guys are wrapping up here. Johnny's gonna start parking the cars. Andrew's doing some final touches on the interior. This is probably my favorite car we got here. All right, so the guys are gonna head back to the shop. I'm gonna follow them with the other van. We're gonna load up the vans in the shop, close them up, get them ready for tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Obviously, we have a lot of cool cars we work on. I hope you guys get to see more of this in the future. Comment down below which car you would like to see an in-depth video on, or which one was your favorite one that you got to see today. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time. See ya.